I think more than ever, public school leaders are faced with challenges to maximize learning in classrooms. And I really believe that with the evolution of digital resources, we are seeing remarkable things happening with engagement, with the use of resources to propel student interest. And I really think we're on the cusp of breakthrough opportunities. I think it's so important that AASA and members work together to build a pathway for districts all around this country. And we're really learning every day about how we can use resources to maximize student learning and effectiveness of teachers. And to tell you the truth, we feel like we've been on the journey a while, but we feel like we're just on the cusp of learning great things and really understanding about preparing children for their future and not our past.